Wait, what is this? Keysfan? Okay. Wow, they actually have a ton of keys on here. Windows, Office, Bottles. Geez, I didn't even know half of this stuff was available like this. Alright, I'm definitely gonna take a closer look. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So summer is winding down and that can only mean one thing. It's almost back to school season. Whether you are starting college, heading into university or just looking to upgrade your setup for the new academic year, this might be the perfect time to level up your study game. Today I want to introduce you to a website I recently discovered called Keysfan, a place where you can purchase legal keys for a variety of Windows and Microsoft Office software. And trust me, it can save you a lot of money. Keysfan offers legal and affordable IM software keys, 100% official and fully online activated. Every day, many customers shop at keysfans.com and they are backed by 24/7 customer support the whole year. Now, just to be clear, I'm not affiliated with Keysfans in any way. I'm just sharing this because I thought it might be helpful to some of you. But of course, please make sure to do your own research before purchasing anything online. But okay, let's see what kind of software you can get here. Let's take a look. You'll find Microsoft Office Professional in several versions, Windows 11 Pro plus Office 2021 Professional Bundle, Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Pro, and so much more. These are genuine keys. You are not downloading any sketchy files, there are no hidden installers or surprise software. You simply purchase the key, apply it to your existing installation, and activate it online. Now let me show you how simple it is to purchase a key on this website. I decided to get the Windows 11 Pro with Office 2021 Professional Bundle. I added it to my cart, went to checkout, and paid using PayPal, but they also accept credit card. Before paying, remember to use the coupon codes doc50 to get 50% off on Windows keys and doc62 to get 62% off on Microsoft Office and Bundles. So you can see how the price is broke down using this coupon regarding on this bundle that I wanted to purchase. Now remember, no downloads, no hidden software, and most importantly, no risk of viruses. You just get a legal key to activate the software you already have installed on your computer. So many thanks to Keysfan for collaborating on this content. If you want to check it out, I've left all the useful links in the description box below along with the coupon codes. Remember, doc50 for 50% off on Windows and doc62 for 62% off on Office and Bundles. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to leave a like and maybe consider subscribing for more content like this. Until next time, take care and good luck this school year. Bye!